Telangana temperatures are rising and shooting up to the 44 degrees, and it might reach us into the 45 degrees or also in the coming days it will be there. As I've seen in the last 2 days or last 3 days in the week, so continuously there is heat is build upping into the entire the state. Seeing this continuously, there are more than 40 degrees temperatures are reporting into the entire state of Telangana, and the certain parts of the state it will be giving the more than 44 degrees or also. Last 24 hours, there are the 2 stations are reported in the more than 44 degrees, especially in the Nizamabad district is 44.1 degrees, and in the Ramagundam, Peddapalli districts has been 44.4, and the rest of in the eastern part of the Telangana is more than 43 degrees, and in the northern belts are also is getting the more than 41 degrees. And the southern and central also showing the rising trend of 42 degrees. As of now, there is no the heat conditions are appearing in the our observations, but it's still the state government observations are showing more than 45 degrees, and certain places and the certain pockets are the temperatures are shooting up to the 46 degrees are also. These conditions are will be continuing in the next 4 days are also. As if it is continuing today, tomorrow onwards we will issuing the orange alert, because of last 2 days onwards the same temperatures are increasing, and the trend is also rising. Trend is nearly 1.5 degrees rise trending is there. So it's such a way, and the tomorrow onwards there will be the orange alert will be there in the next 2 days, and after the 5th onwards, May 5th onwards, there will be a slight fall of temperatures, and expecting there will be rain showers will be there in the state.
మా వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్.